This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Shannon Cantu. Very private landscape view with western exposure. Pool included. The Bedford offers an open floor plan featuring a first floor master and den as well as 2 beds, a loft and a full bath on the second floor. Extra large lanai and a 2-car garage. The kitchen and baths are adorned with white, quality crafted custom design cabinetry and solid surface counters. Enjoy luxurious finishes and features throughout. Community amenities include guarded gate, 22 lakes, all navigable, 1-mile-long boating rowing lane, boat ramp, island club, fitness center, 2 bocce ball courts, beach volleyball, Tiki bar and cafe with food and beverage service, resort-style pool with lap lanes, fire pit, private Kontiki Island, use of electric boat stand-up paddle boards, kayaks, canoes and bicycles, 5 tennis courts, 4 pickleball courts, 2 dog parks, miles of walking biking paths, basketball court, a children's play area and more. Low HOAs. Be sure to watch the View the virtual tour. For more information, review the details below.